Good morning, everybody. So, here's my website and my phone number. I have another Kenwood Tl922 here. I already started working on it. I have to make more videos because people call me up asking if I'm still in business. I guess if I don't put a video up, often, then they think I'm out of business. So, I know this is basically the same as all the others, but I'm going to show it just to show the work is consistent. This one has a new band switch. Whoever put it in did a very nice job. Already removed the chokes and the mica caps from the bases of the tube sockets. I'm going to go ahead and cut the strips and copper strips and install them. Here's the material right here. Do the bias modification, the low inductance path over here from the air variable plate tune cap up to the floor here, which is connected to the tube grids. So otherwise it goes through the strap, and it's a very long path. So I'll change electrolytic, add the strap on the other side, series glitch resistor, meter protection diode. Has a problem, has LED lamps in it. For some reason, sometimes they're off in standby. When you key it, they turn on. So there might be something with the contact over here in this relay. Because I don't know what the guy has going on, but the standby light will switch on and off. So I have to figure it out, see what's going on. Or it could be a loose connection up and back, so I will figure it out. So I'll be back. Once again, there's my info. amprepairguy.com. See you in a bit. Okay, so the lights appear to be working okay now. Looks like it was just a dirty contact on that back relay that does the biasing and also the switching. Noticed extremely long lead lengths on the new LED wires, and they're electrical taped. So I'm going to fix that. I can't leave it like that. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. Cleaned it all up. Everything's soldered now. Straps in. Got the series glitch resistor in. Protection diode for the meter. So the wires were actually twisted together. Well, some of them were twisted. Some were soldered. The ones under the tape where they were doubled up like this. Not in series or anything, but for some reason some were twisted, some were soldered, and connected them to the existing wires instead of just going right to the strips, because these are dropping resistors. So each positive lead for each lamp has a resistor in series with it. Alright, so that's the top. As you can see, the plates are nice and clean here. This has the 10 meter mod done. It was already done when I got it. Okay, so I'll flip it over and show you the bottom. This is the cord end that was on the 922. Just wanted to show you why I always untape things and redo them. I never assume things are done right. That's twisted together. This is probably twisted together, and the ground was not connected at all. So I'm going to put a new plug on. The guy has it wired. The customer has it wired for 120. So yep. Okay, here's the bottom. Did the low inductance mod here. The strap. All this has to come out. So it had the screws for these two padding caps. These doorknob caps were actually in the cover. So it had cover screws in here. They were lacking the split washers, the lock washers. So I put the proper screws back in with lock washers. Grids are grounded. Did the bias modification, clean that relay, clean this relay deoxit gold, clean the output rotary switch deoxit gold, input rotary switch deoxit gold. Change the electrolytic cap. So this thing is all set. Got a new set of tubes from Penta Labs, awesome company. Great customer service. So that's about it. If you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. I also checked the SO239s and I put a new plug end on the cord. Someone cut it off and electrical taped another one on there. So here's my phone number and my website. 203-892-4119, amprepairguy.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. Very busy here. Very, 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 very busy. Get stuff done quick. Very quick. Very thorough. As you can see, each amp looks the same in each video. I do not skimp on the quality of work. Take care. amprepairguy.com.